Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you computer work embroidery blouse design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, when it's come to creating a standout saree or lehenga look, these kind of computer work blouse design ideal play a important roles. Whether you are wearing a silk saree or Georgian sarees or embroidery work saree or lehenga and embroidery blouse design add a touch of elegance and sophistication. So in this video we are showing you some of the latest computer embroidery work blouse design. This kind of computer work blouse design will suit any traditional or contemporary sarees and lehenga. It makes them perfect for casual and formal occasion. Friends, this kind of computer work embroidery blouse design frequently used in designer blouse for wedding, engagement and other festival occasion. These intricate form of embroidery involve weaving gold and silver thread, which are often combined with precious stone and metallic accent to make a royal look. Friends, this kind of detailed work on these embroidery clothes reflect a luxury and grand look associated with traditional Indian fashion. Friends, this kind of computer work embroidery blouse design has become increasing popularity, especially for festival occasion and Indian traditional wedding. Friends, this kind of design incorporate metallic thread to create intricate and elaborate patterns, giving the blouse an festival and royal appeal. The rich detailing in embroidery work bring a unique pair to any outfit. Friends, you know that additionally the machine embroidery blouse can customize with varying sleeve length depending on personal preference, adding flexibility to a design and ensure comfort and style. Hence, this kind of machine embroidery is renewed for its intricate network and vibrant color. This traditional machine embroidery style is rich in floral print and often showcase delicate, intricate design, making it a top choice for pairing with silk saree or other traditional sarees and lehenga. Friends, this kind of embroidery blouse design offer a delicate and elegant touch to the blouse design. Often paired with floral embroidery or intricate detailing threadwork, those blouses are perfect for those who prefer subtle yet impactful design. Friends, these kind of machine work embroidery blouse design are best suitable for wedding, engagement, and all other special occasion, especially when paired with silk saree, chiffon saree, or Georgian sarees. Friends, this kind of softness and sophistication of embroidery work bring out the understated attractive in saree blouse. Make them a must have for any wardrobe, whether for evening event or festival celebration. These kind of machine work embroidery blouse design add a stylish touch to your entire outfit. Friends, this kind of machine work embroidery blouse is one of the most popular and versatile embroidery blouse design. This kind of blouse design, intricate detailing of floral design add a touch of elegance to both a traditional silk sarees and lightweighted Georgian and chiffon sarees. Friends, the machine embroidery and the use of bright, vibrant color help elevate any different type of saree style. These kind of blouse are particularly stunning when paired with light color saree, allowing a floral pattern to stand out beautifully. Hence, these kind of machine work embroidery blouse, those who prefer textured pattern, embossed embroidery blouse design offer a unique aesthetic. These kind of style use intricate and elaborate pattern, obtain invoking geometric shape or animal design. Friends, the cutwork machine embroidery blouse design are renowned for their unique ability to combine intricate with creativity. These technique invoke cutout portion of the fabric to create intricate patterns, adding a sense of transparency and lightness. Friends, cutwork machine embroidery is a fantastic choice for evening event or wedding, where elegance is key. These designs are often paired with silk sarees and all other designer saree also. Whether you are attending a wedding or formal event, a cutwork machine embroidery blouse paired with plain saree will draw attention and create a lasting impression. Friends, I hope you guys will love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.